How's it going? This is a Odoo versus ErpNext comparison. So both of them are open source ERP. For Odoo, they're for small to large businesses. ErpNext is only for small and medium sized. For Odoo, you can highly scale it. And again, as we said, ERP is just for a small and medium sized. They do have a free community edition and affordable pricing. They also have affordable pricing with different tiers based on user count. It is highly customizable, Odoo, and it gives you third-party apps. ErpNext is customizable, but it requires some of the technical expertise. Both of them are very much user-friendly, and Odoo gives a better integration with third-party than ErpNext. So let's say you need a lot of integrations. In that case, Odoo is obviously the way to go. Now, there are some things. If you have a bigger business, then obviously Odoo is the way to go. But if you're a smaller business, then ErpNext. Again, for budget, both of them have different pricing levels. So I would say go and see which one seems best for you. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.